Then how to get contacts from iCloud to iPhone. Don't panic. Just keep watching because the methods in the following can help you deal with either of the two. Option 1. How to download contacts from iCloud to iPhone via settings. Navigate to your iPhone settings, your name. Select iCloud, enable the contacts option. Tap merge from the pop-up options. This will begin syncing iPhone contacts from iCloud. Option 2. How to sync iPhone contacts from iCloud.com. Open iCloud.com on a computer browser. Sign in. Click Contacts. Select Contacts or select All in Settings. Click bottom left gear icon. Choose Export the card for download. Transfer to iPhone from computer. Option 3. How to get contacts from iCloud onto new iPhone from iCloud Backup. Settings, General, Reset, Erase all. Out. Setup. Reach, Apps and Data. Restore from iCloud. Log in. Pick Backup for contacts. Option 4. How to get contacts from iCloud to iPhone selectively. Instead of putting contacts on iPhone from iCloud entirely or even erasing the data within, iPhone data recovery applies itself to make selective data retrieving with or without a backup. How to save iCloud contacts to iPhone with iPhone data recovery. Step 1. Go to Recover from iCloud Backup File. Step 2. Choose an iCloud backup file with contacts you desire. Step 3. Get contacts from iCloud to iPhone.